Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive performance, style, and innovation. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Lexus LC 500, a luxury coupe that blends cutting-edge design with exhilarating performance. Design evolution. The 2026 LC 500 brings subtle yet impactful design changes that refine its iconic silhouette. Lexus has retained the sleek, low-slung body that made the LC famous, but with updated LED lighting, a sharper spindle grille, and re-sculpted air vents for improved aerodynamics. New wheel designs and paint finishes, including a striking molten copper option, add to its unmistakable road presence. Inside, Lexus elevates luxury with improved materials, a larger 14-inch infotainment screen, and updated ambient lighting, creating a cabin that feels both high-tech and indulgent. Power and performance. Under the hood, the LC 500 stays true to its performance roots with a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering 471 horsepower and a symphonic exhaust note. The 10-speed automatic transmission has been retuned for smoother, quicker shifts, and the revised suspension setup enhances ride comfort without sacrificing the car's dynamic edge. Lexus has also refined the steering and added minor tweaks to improve chassis rigidity, making the 2026 model more responsive and agile on both highways and twisty backroads. Technology and innovation. The new Lexus Interface infotainment system debuts in the LC 500, offering seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. A revised digital gauge cluster adds a customizable touch, while Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 now comes standard, including enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and emergency steering assist. Final thoughts. The 2026 Lexus LC 500 doesn't reinvent the wheel, it perfects it. With updated styling, refined performance, and smarter tech, this luxury grand tourer continues to stand apart in a segment crowded with contenders. For those seeking a balance of soul-stirring power and elegant craftsmanship, the new LC 500 is an automotive masterpiece. Thanks for tuning in to Vehicle Club. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews and auto insights.